You know that feeling, right? You're just drowning in information, research papers, meeting notes, articles. Just trying to keep up feels absolutely impossible. But what if there was a totally new way to not just manage all that information, but to actually think with it? It's a feeling we all know. That moment you stare at a mountain of text and you have no idea where to even start. It is just so overwhelming. And let's be honest, it's a terrible way to try and learn or get any real work done. So let me tell you about this one user. He was trying to get smart on a new investment, and he had these four different PDFs. We're talking over 100 pages of really dense financial jargon. Now, the old way, you'd spend hours, maybe days, highlighting, taking notes. But that's not what he did. He used a new kind of tool, one that's designed not just to pull random answers from the internet, but to help you find the actual insights hiding in the documents you already trust. This is a huge shift, a totally different way to approach information. And this is the key. This isn't just another general purpose AI. Think of it as your personal thinking assistant. The crucial part is that it is grounded only in the sources you give it. You build its brain so it becomes an expert in your world, not the whole internet. And getting started couldn't be easier. Seriously. You just upload your sources, and we're not just talking about PDFs. You can use websites, YouTube videos, Google Docs. You can even just copy and paste text. As soon as your sources are in there, you just start the conversation. Okay, this is where the magic really starts to happen. All that flat, dense text, those reports, transcripts, and articles, it's suddenly alive. It's interactive. It's not just something you read anymore, it's something you can literally have a conversation with. But wait, it gets even better. So, what you just heard, that's not a human podcast host. No way. That is the opening line of an AI generated audio summary, and it was created in just a few minutes from those 100 plus pages of PDFs. It's two AI hosts having a totally natural chat about the material. Now, think about the implications here for a second. Imagine turning your required reading for school or for work into a podcast you can listen to on your commute. You can absorb huge amounts of information, all personalized to exactly what you need, without ever having to read a single page. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This is the big question, right? We've all seen the headlines about AI just making stuff up, hallucinating. And when you need information you can rely on, trust is everything. So what makes this any different? This right here breaks it all down. A general AI is pulling from the entire messy Wild West of the internet, which is why it can invent facts. Your thinking assistant, on the other hand, is grounded. It only uses your sources, and this is the most important part, it gives you citations for every single answer. We're talking zero hallucinations. Let's look at a real example. So when the tool tells you that farmland generates consistent income, it doesn't just say so. It points you right here to citation number 2, page 4. You can click it and see the exact sentence in your own document where it found that fact. Every single claim is verifiable. The best way to think about it is this. It's like your documents can finally talk back to you, and anytime you ask, hey, are you sure about that? They can pull out the receipts and show you exactly where they got that info. That's a total game changer for finding reliable insights. So what does this mean for you, like today? Well, these are basically real-world superpowers. If you're a student, you can turn a boring textbook chapter into a focused study guide that's ready for your exam. If you're a professional, you can summarize an hour-long meeting into the key takeaways and even have it draft a follow-up email for you. Researchers, you can synthesize findings from dozens of papers in an instant, spotting connections you would have missed. And for everybody, you could plan a super detailed trip just by feeding it some travel blogs and videos you trust and have it generate a day-by-day itinerary. You see, this completely reframes how we think about information. It's not just about asking an AI a question anymore. It's about building your own personal knowledge base, teaching your own private AI to be an expert in the things that matter to you. So the real question is, what are you going to create with it? Honestly, the best way to really get it is to just try it. It's so easy. Just find one document, a report, an article, anything, and upload it. Ask it a couple of questions. I promise the insights you uncover are going to surprise you.
If this roadmap helped you, subscribe to AI Skills Hub for more practical AI skills and real-world workflows.